on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make an easy sweet tea. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I am so excited to be sharing another carefully tested, well-researched, and perfected recipe. Today I have a super sweet and simple recipe for sweet tea, so I'm going to try to keep today's video short and sweet as well. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to start on the stovetop where you're going to need a medium or small saucepan. Here we are going to combine 3 cups of water with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. This is kind of a secret ingredient. It's commonly used in the South. It adds a nice depth of flavor and smoothness to the tea, so I highly recommend using it if you have it, but if you don't have it on hand, you can leave it out. But who doesn't have baking soda on hand? Now give this a nice little stir to get everything combined, and we're just going to turn our stovetop heat to medium. We'll stir this occasionally so that the sugar gets moved around and has the opportunity to melt, and we're going to continue to stir it periodically until it comes to a boil. Now once this is boiling, we're going to remove it from the heat, and then we'll add our tea bags. We will be using 6 standard sized black tea bags for today's recipe. We're just gonna go ahead and drop them right there in the pot. We'll let these tea bags steep for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, we will remove them and discard them. All right, now you will need a large pitcher. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this tea into my pitcher. Now I like a little bit of lemon flavor in my sweet tea, so I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Fresh squeezed is best. And with these lemons I got from the grocery store, that's usually about half a lemon, so that's what I'll be using today. Squeeze that in there. Now we'll need another 5 cups of water. We just add this right into the pitcher. Give everything a nice stir. Now this tea is still a little bit warm, so you can either set it in the refrigerator and let it chill completely, or you can just pour it over ice, which is what I'm going to be doing today. And that is how you make my super easy sweet tea. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and if you try this one out, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think, because I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Could drink this whole pitcher.